Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the AutoCAD 3D primitives. And what those are, in simple terms, are really just basic starting points for you as an AutoCAD operator to have something to work with in regards to shapes. Because when you're working in 3D, just like a sculptor, you have two different ways of doing it. You can either build on it or take some of them will take a big block of clay or let's just say clay, and they will scrape away, leaving the image as a result, or they will take a piece and sculpture individual pieces and blend them together. uh, but right over here where I've got cylinder, these seven are your primitives. A box, which well, of course, will get you a box drawn uh, fairly easy. A cylinder, which is this, and then you have a cone, which is that. You have a sphere, which is that. You have a pyramid, which is that. A wedge, like this, and a torus. Okay. Now, I just drew these seven up fairly quickly, but even like with the box, you're allowed. I'm just going to click here. Once I've picked that corner, I can go and change where I can add exact dimensions. I could make it a 20 by 20 cube and just type in 20, and there, that is exactly 20 by 20 by 20. Or I could have went with length right here and gone with a different length and a width and then a height, and it's the same thing on any of these. If I go to cylinder, I can pick here, and it wants a base radius. I could type in 50, and there's my radius, and then it wants a height. I could type in 100, and there it is. So you can put exact dimensions with these, but these are the ones that you want to use whenever possible to start off with. I know one of your assignments has a wedge on it. Several of them have boxes and also have cones. And again, it's up to you as the AutoCAD operator to figure out which one you want to use, because just like these cylinders, I mean, without the primitives, I would have to go to circle, draw a circle, and then come over here to extrude and draw that. So those couple steps I do in one. So that's why using the primitives will save you some time. No reason for you to reinvent the wheel, which is something like this. You wouldn't want to draw a circle, then extrude it to get a cylinder when you already got one. Same thing with a box. I could come over here and draw a P line, or actually, I won't even do a P line. Let's just do a, see if I can find it. They keep moving it on me here. There's the rectangle. Here's the rectangle. Okay, then I go to extrude, and there I have that. So you can see how much time that can save by using the primitives. And again, they were given to you to use as a starting point, and whenever possible, you do want to utilize them. And that concludes my video on 3D primitives. Thank you.